Welcome to the Kindermann booth in Hall 5, booth R30. I would like you to come to the Kindermann booth to see the new QuickPresent Air, which is a wireless tabletop presentation system. The first of its kind, which is able to switch 3 HDMI inputs, which are connected with cable retractors. With the press of a sensor button, you can switch between different sources. And in addition, the product provides an additional Wi-Fi input, which gives you AirPlay and Miracast hotspot to even connect smart devices. If you want to learn more, then go to www.kindermann.de. Thank you very much.